Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. Today the reading is about your person current feelings, the person on your mind especially, and their intentions and outcome and suggestion. So let's see your person. This side your person current feelings, this side yours and mutual, middle. And this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Here energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see the person on your mind. What are the messages for you? Gemini. Okay. Yours. And mutual. Wow. The lovers. Mutual energy. Mutual energy. Lovers. And under the deck, the hermit with 4 of wands. Right now, you both are in no contact situation. Yeah, one person is spiritually awakening. Maybe one person is transforming. But the mutual energy, the lovers, definitely there is love between both of you. It's mutual. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Gemini. So let's see your reading. First, your person current feeling 6 of Pentacles, Empress and 2 of Swords. Let's clarify 6 of Pentacles, 5 of Wands, Empress, 5 of Cups and 2 of Swords, Temperance, 9 of Wands. Right now your person may be guarded up. They are not talking to you, but they're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they do love you. They have emotions for you, Gemini. 6 of Pentacles with 5 of Wands. There is a lot of drama going between you and your person right now. Especially there is no equal give and take, Gemini. Maybe you are putting a lot in this connection, but they're only taking. There is no partnership and there is no equal give and take. Especially maybe they are treating you as an option. One person treating other person as an option in this connection. And then Empress with 5 of Cups. So they are very sad, but now they want to take their control back. Yeah, they're very sad if you are in separation with this person. So they want to take their control back and they are doing it. Now they are working on their self and now they are working on their self growth because the Empress. And 2 of Swords, clarification, Temperance, but they are at some crossroads. They want to make some decision regarding this relationship, but they are unable to make any decision. And they want to restore the balance within themselves. And they're patiently waiting for something, but your person is at some crossroads. They have to make some decision. Maybe they are juggling between you and their career, you and their family. Some type of juggling is here. That's why, but they're patiently waiting. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Especially it's your card. See middle, Gemini, it's your card and it's your reading. The person could be another Gemini also. So let's see your feelings. 7 of Cups, 9 of Swords and 4 of Swords. So let's clarify. Seven of Cups, 9 of Cups, Ace of Swords, 9 of and 7 of Swords. Wheel of Fortune with Queen of Pentacles. I think you are concentrating on your career right now. You are focusing on your abundance, Gemini. And Wheel of Fortune, things will turn into your favor. Maybe you are waiting for right time. In near future, definitely things will turn into your favor, Gemini. And your feelings, 7 of Cups with 9 of Cups. I think you are in some confusion, 7 of Cups. You are not getting clarity and you are wishing. I think you are feeling stuck. You are feeling confused about your wishes because you want to be with this person. You are wishing for this connection, but you are right now in some confusion. Maybe for some you have options. Very few you have options, but most of you are in confusion. You are not getting clarity from your person end. Then 9 of Swords with Ace of Swords. So here what I'm saying, maybe you decided to move on from this person, but you are unable to move on. The type of energy you were right now, because Ace of Swords, you want to cut off this person from your life, and 9 of Swords, but you are unable. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding this person, especially when you are sleeping, when you are alone. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding this person, Gemini. Then 4 of Swords with 7 of Swords. Trust issues between both of you. Definitely one person is snake in this connection. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you, backstabbing on you. Something is snake in this connection. Right now you maybe third party involved in this connection. Some truth came out recently. So you are healing from that hurt. Maybe they hurt you in past. So 4 of Swords energy. Now you are healing. You are doing meditation to heal yourself completely. Here, lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's clarify the mutual card, the Lovers. For some, it is more about physical than emotional. Yeah, Moon. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. So, under the deck, Strength with 2 of Wands. You both live in different cities, different countries, or different state, long distance relationship. There are some issues and some arguments still there, some illusions. I think, yeah, trust issues between both of you because 7 of Swords. Lot of illusions between you and your person. And your person also patiently waiting, but I am not seeing any action plan here. So let's see their intentions, then we will get more clarity. Will they take any action soon? So let's see your person intentions, Gemini. Then we will see outcome, then we will see suggestion. Okay, 3 of Pentacles. Four of Swords. Seven. I think this person is sneaky, guys. For some, definitely this person may be sneaky. Maybe now they realized their mistake. That's why they're doing meditation or healing, whatever. They're scared for rejection also. That's why they're not making any move. But in thinking wise, intention wise, 3 of Pentacles, now they want you back. But I think you are not trusting this person anymore because 7 of Swords came twice in this reading. At the same time, you are not trusting. Lot of drama is going. They are not taking any action. Yes. I think one type of ending between you and your person for some. So let's see the outcome. No contact situation, clearly. Outcome, 10 of Cups with Chariot. Wow. And suggestion. Also we will. Suggestion, 6 of Cups, Queen of Cups, and Strength with 9 of Wands. I think this connect right now you both are, maybe one person is very scared for rejection, but the outcome 10 of Cups and Chariot. Maybe for some there will be some moment in near future, but it is again very slow moving energy. Yeah, 10 of Cups with Chariot, it is very slow moving. Still it is wishing, and yeah, maybe they will make a move towards you, but again they are in slow moving energy. And then suggestion, Queen of Cups and six of Cups. I think you both are thinking about each other a lot, and you both have strong emotions towards each other a lot, especially both thinking about each other a lot. Maybe, yeah, they hurt you in past, now maybe they're realizing you both. Even though you walked away from this connection, you're still thinking about them. So let's see some messages from your person and Gemini. Lot of thinking and lot of thinking going in this connection. I can't give you what you need. I want to be honest with you. Past person return. I want to express my love. I want you back and I want to be with you forever. So these are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. And a lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. You are good enough, full moon in Virgo. So if you are feeling that you are not good enough, so this is the message for you. Don't feel in that way. You are good enough. When you feel that you are good enough, you will attract conclusions are within reach, full moon and eclipse. Definitely you will, some conclusions will resolve. I think for your problem some conclusions will come, and conclusions are within reach, especially full moon eclipse. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.